Okay, so today we're going to do a flashlight bypass valve test on these two oil filters. This Amsoil filter, number EAO11, and this Fram endurance oil filter, number FE2. And what we're going to do is, we got the Amsoil filter is a used filter, and this is a new Fram endurance filter. And what we're going to do is check to see if these, where these bypass valves seat in here. You can see, I'm going to put a flashlight through here, and we'll see if any light's coming out of here. If there is light coming out of there, that would mean that unfiltered oil is going through there. So let's let me get the light on this. Okay, we'll start with the Amsoil. Put the light in the hole there. Oh yeah, you can see that. Yep. You can see light. See a lot of light there. See if I can hold this one hand. It's coming right out of there. See that? You can see that. It's right out of there. Pretty easy to see that. Yep. So this Amsoil filter failed. Okay. Let's try this Fram filter. Yeah, you can see light there also. See that? I'm pushing on it. You still see light there. See it right there? So both of these filters, let me get the light. Both of these filters failed. And they both got the same bypass valves. You see that? These filters are basically made the same way. The only difference is, you know, you gotta use the Amsoil and a new Fram endurance. I'll put a link to the video of these filters down below. And with that being said, I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I open up an oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and take care.